Welcome to ColumbiaFord.com. This is Toph the Demo Dude with another exciting deal on a work truck. This 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD dump truck has four-wheel drive, is a two-door standard cab, and has just over 3,800 miles on it. It's got a Vortec 6-liter gas V8 engine with an automatic 6-speed transmission. The exterior is white and the interior is black. If you want to save thousands, call us today at 860-228-AUTO. That's 228-2886. Or visit us at ColumbiaFord.com. That's ColumbiaFord.com. This is Toph the Demo Dude, and if you don't buy from us, we both lose money.